Hi guys, welcome to my channel SQL. In last class, we have discussed about hacking of SQL Server or hijacking of SQL Server. This means whenever the login does not have sysadmin permission, login is dummy, no login are present in the SQL Server instance. So at that time, we can hijack the SQL Server by referring to this -m in the parameters of SQL Server main service account. If you go to properties here, in startup parameters, you have to do -m. You have to add a -m parameter and then restart the server. Then you have to go to the SSMS with fresh new connection, and then you have to go to right click on new query. Then you can give yourself sysadmin permission by add a server role sysadmin, alter server role sysadmin, add member, whatever the account you have to provide that sysadmin, you have to give that account. Then it will connect. Okay, that means the user will get sysadmin rights, and then again you have to go to this configuration manager and restart this. You have to remove that -m and then you have to restart it. Then you can get back to to the instance and connect to through SSMS. Okay. After here also one thing guys, if you do this thing, downtime is required. Okay, for this to hack the SQL server, because we have to restart SQL server, right? And coming to linked server, here we can link any version. Okay, if it is 2005 to 2025 till what is present now, and 2025 to 2005 server also we can link. There is no rule that it can't happen, so we can do it is possible. So we can connect to Oracle databases also. So apart from SQL Server, linked server, we can connect to DB link that we will call in Oracle. So the SQL Server can link to Oracle databases also. So as we have in SSMS, if we go here, then right click new linked server. So if you go to general, here in others data source, right? Here we have providers, right? This provider means whatever we have drivers. Through this we can connect. We'll connect through Microsoft OLEDB provider for SQL Server. We'll use this option, or else most of the time we'll use SQL Server native client to connect. Okay. So in this provider, we will be having Oracle driver also. We have to install separately from Google, and then if we have that driver means OLEDB driver, then we can connect to Oracle databases as well. Here we have only for SQL Server, as you can see here. And also here also provider options is there in linked server. This is also the same. Okay, client native 11. So here this provider also is same. Here same thing they have given here. Okay, that folder, in that folder, if you expand means you will be getting to know that provider, whatever the provider is there. Now coming to linked server, we have yesterday discussed about if you go to security, we have discussed this third option, be made using the login current security text, current security context. That means like we have here, I will be explaining once again. Here, if we go to new linked server, this will open, right? Here, my login desktop /shahid should be available in this instance also. Login should be available here also. Then easily we can create a linked server. Okay, myself I am helping. Okay, so my login is helping my login in another instance. So both login should be so my login should be available in both the instance. Here if you go to security, we have already selected this, no need to give anything, just we have to check box that. And if you go here, and here I can take that server name. Okay, server name here 2025. I'm connecting from 2016 to 25. So here you can give this option. Then if you go to security, already we have given, right? Here SQL Server you have to select. Then only you can click OK. Then linked server has created. Now you can access the data sitting in 2016 instance. So what we can do here, right click on the instance, new query. Then you can select the data. Okay, select star from that instance name we have to give. Linked server name. This is the linked server name. Dot I have here DB1. If you expand here databases, in databases we have DB1 and table 1. Okay, so if you drag and drop here also, it will come like this. Again you have to include dot and then you can drag again this table. So this is 2025, so I can easily fetch the data. So hope you understood this. Second option is most of the time we use third and fourth. Okay, if you go to this linked server, or else here it is being made using the login's current security context. The same login should exist on both instances so it can function seamlessly across them. That means I have explained already. Being made using this security context means so I will be deleting this linked server here. If you go to linked server objects, right click, refresh. I am deleting this. Okay. Now what I will be doing, I will create one login in 2025 instance. Okay. Kindly note down, it is 2025 instance. I am creating one SQL authentication. So login, right click on login, new login, then have to create some Raju login. So Raju will means because here myself I am helping. Okay, Shahid is helping Shahid. Here Shahid means Raju will help Shahid in 2025. With this help of Raju, I can be able to access that. Okay. And one more thing, here no need to be sysadmin. We can go to user mapping, or here we can select database user, and then like you can select DB owner or else DB reader or DB writer. This also is okay because you can insert, update and delete the data, and also you can select the data. So yeah, we have to give here password, SQL authentication 1 2 3 4. I'm giving 1 2 3 4. Okay. Here I will not enforce password policy. I will be clicking OK. Now the Raju login has been created. Okay, already it is exist, it seems. So what I have to do, right click, refresh. So if I expand here, already Raju user is there. Last time I have did demo, right? In that it is present already in this databases. If I extend the security in users, already Raju user is there. So it skipped that. Okay, that's it, nothing else. So what here means in linked server, if you go here and right click on new linked server, right? I am explaining this option, be made using this security constraint. Another login will help, but that login should be present. Okay, in we have to know that login password, so that that login will help Shahid. Okay, Raju login will help Shahid. So what we have to do here, we have to go to security. Then before that I will go here and I will go to general. Here I will create same linked server. Okay, like the 2025 instance we have to provide. You have to go to this SQL server, then we have to go to security, then we have to click on this be made using this security constraint. we have to know this password, okay, because Raju is helping Shahid. We can have to give this SA authentication. Here we need to provide a password 1234, so that now Raju will help Shahid, okay. Anything need to do? Yeah, that's it. You have to give this SA username and password. That's it, and you have to give this linked server name and instance. That is the instance name. Then if you click OK, now means linked server has created. If you refresh this here in linked server, now linked server is created. Same thing. Now we can. Raju has the data reader, right? I can select the data here. What's the problem here? Means does not contain the table DB1. I will do one thing, guys. Here what I will be doing, prop user Raju. So I have to connect to this DB1 database. Now create user Raju for login Raju. Or else I will do one thing. I will cancel this. Again here what I can do, I will go to this Raju login. In user mapping, now we can again create that user. Now it is worked, okay, because user was already existed, okay. Login I deleted, user was there, so SIDs might be different, so that is the reason. Now we can select the data. See, now it got successfully. We have executed that query and gathered this data, okay. Now we are reading. We can insert, okay, by sitting here. This is 2016, guys. You can see here. We can insert some record also. Insert into table 1, insert in table 1 values 3 comma, we have insert, update and delete permission, no, so we can perform this 3 HRA. Here we have to get this linked server, no. Now it will execute. See, now I am inserting. Now I have to give all that linked server name, database name, table, and also we have to give this DBO schema name as well, or else it won't work. Okay. So one more thing, guys, like here when we do this, right? Raju is supporting Shahid. Link means has a login. So what we have to do in SQL Server instance properties. Here we have to be in SQL Server and Windows authentication mode, that is mixed authentication mode. We have to, before doing this task, we have to change, okay, from Windows to SQL Server authentication, and means mixed mode authentication, and I have to perform that task, okay. So it will be successful at that time. So this thing you have to keep in mind, and also we can create a special type of linked server for individual users. So some user is coming and asking for him alone, okay. So here what I can do, I will be deleting this linked server. Now I am creating new special linked server for individual user. Right click on new linked server. Here instead of going to this SQL server, we have to click on this, and I can give some a special name like DB link, okay, something like, or else Shahid link I can give, Shahid DB link. So in security, after going here in product name, you have to mention SQL Server. If it is Oracle, if you are connecting to Oracle, you can give it Oracle. Now I am connecting to SQL Server, so you have to give to Shahid product means SQL Server. SQL Server. So data source, you have to give that instance name. Here same instance name here you have to provide. You means not down, guys. In last demo we are giving here this instance name, okay, the linked server. Now I am giving this special type, creating special type of linked server. So here I am giving any name, and here in data source I am providing that instance name. Then we can go to security. Then like you can Raju, if Raju is means helping, then also no problem. You can take Raju with password. So that's it, okay. In general, you had to go here. You can give the Shahid DB link. Here you have to, if you can select this or else SQL Server native client 11, okay. This also is okay. If Oracle you are connecting, I have to download Oracle, means a driver. Then OLEDB driver you have to download from Google, and then here you can find that Oracle driver. Then you have to click on Oracle OLEDB connection. So product will be Oracle. Here you have to do Oracle instance name. Okay, so like that you can do with Oracle. I'm now doing for SQL. Security had to go, and or else we can choose this option also, because Shahid will help Shahid. Here Raju is helping Shahid. So I hope you might have understood. Instead of this same thing, now what I can do, Shahid DB link I have to give. Here instead of this instance, Shahid DB link. So you can select the data now. See, this worked. Raju is helping Shahid. This also I can do. Third option also can do. Most of the times we'll be using that both two options only. If you go to here properties, security, you can see here, okay. In security, here this both may be made using the logins current security constraint, means Shahid will be helping Shahid. Here Raju will be helping Shahid, okay. So hope you might have understood this. Another special scenario, like we can create a linked server for cloud databases as well, okay. So cloud databases we can create, that is also possible in Azure or else AWS also it is possible. Also we can create a linked server with anything like any other cloud databases also. So now for example, developer will request in ticketing tool like please create linked server in prod 1 to server prod 2. I have created this 2016, right? From 2016 to 2025, same thing is asking for prod 2, prod 1 to server prod 2, okay? Like sometimes developer will be giving hint, okay, good developer will be giving hint. Sometimes if they will the request will come like this, means we had to go, ask them, means what is the instance name, what is the password, means here some other login is helping Shahid, Raju is helping Shahid, right? So we had to know the password, that is the most important thing. So what we can do is, if they are giving any references, we can go to this Prod 3 server, right click, you can script, okay, script linked server as create to new query window editor here. So we have got here, okay. So instead of this Shahid means here we can use that prod 2 server name, okay. From prod 1 to prod 2 we are changing, we are giving connection, means we are creating linked server, right? So you can give as control H, it means Shahid DB link is there. Here you can change it as prod 2 like that, okay. You have to replace all here. Then you have to do this thing, and you can go here. Here password is there. Now you have to collect the password, that is must and should. Raju has to give this password. Here Raju, now we have contacted Raju and Raju has given this password. Now I have changed it, so we can execute, okay, this query. So now the linked server has been created, okay. We can create multiple linked servers like that. If you refresh, prod 1 is not there. Just for the example I have given this, okay, means to understand better here, okay. So prod 2 is there now here. So we can connect like this as well. So hope you have understood everything. Yeah, thank you guys. That's all for today's class. If you like this video, please share, subscribe to my channel. Bye, take care.